Hello friend, I'm Oyewale Sunday. Thank you so much for clicking my video. In this project, I want to show you how I was able to change the look of my jean mixed with African print sneakers. I've been able to make it crazy. Okay, we get to buy crazy jeans, and I get to that idea to apply that on my sneakers, and it eventually comes out very cool. So showing you how I go by it. The tools I use in making this is just a Dreamer tool. Just that is only what I need to get the crazy thing out of my demi jeans. So I get to just apply a bit of pressure on it, gradually brushing the smooth surface of the jeans off gradually. No pressure, not too much pressure, just light pressure. Too much of pressure will tear off the jean. Just slight pressure like this. Okay, just like that. So what you need to watch out is you must not apply too much pressure, and while you are working on it, you have to consider and watch your stitching lines closely. When you are brushing it off, don't brush off your stitching line. The stitching, when you brush it off, the thread disconnect and the shoe itself will start losing off. So please, when you're doing it, watch the lines as I'm watching right now. Watch the lines, don't let it cut off the lines, not to let all the sneakers itself lose off. With my brush, I come with my brush and brush everything off. So at this point, what I'm going to be having is a crazy look jean. Brushing the dust off it right now. So you really want to make it look coming up. Okay, I have to adjust my Dreamer tools and how to do it now. So it's here, and I successfully scraped it off. And this is when I knot it up now. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you can see this now. It's so easy. Just use your Dreamer tool to brush it out. Thank you so much for watching. Right now you can then come here to just lace it back. Let me like the video if you like what you've seen. Comment underneath, share it, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Bye.